socializing, he'll be good with a lot of people. Like her other parents, they're 14 years old and they're like stepping up to us and being nice. They didn't crack us.
You're a weirdo. Hey, Hemi.
Put him on the floor and watch what happens.
Stay still.
The orange will become more prominent as he gets older?
Yeah, it'll come more.
Great.
And it's underneath his wings.
Okay, walk back.
Yeah.
Walk far back.
Come here, Hemi.
Oh, yeah.
That was cute how he like lifted off.
It goes on my hair too. It was so funny how he lifts off.
He's cute.
See how much
Good
he can
boy.
fly?
Yeah, he's good.
He's only 7 weeks.
I love how he like lifts off, how he like pushes up his wings and then.
Hey, come. Hemi, come here.
You can take off.
Yep.
There you go.
I love that. He just grabs onto a piece of your hair. Come here, Hemi. Come here. Come here. Woo! Woo! Step up. Good boy. Hmm?
What kind is this? Oreo mint?
Did you get fries?
Oreo mint?
Yeah, they're in my bag.
Is this Oreo mint?
Yeah.
Ugh.
Hmm?
Fries?
Hemi,
Yeah, I like his name. And Lewis wants a Quaker pear to go.
you should get one.
Yeah.